Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my name is Iqra Shaukat and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a mentor who specializes in helping aspirants of the CSS exam to achieve their goals. I understand that preparing for the CSS exam can be very challenging and overwhelming, which is why I'm here to help. I offer a range of services to support aspirants including essay evaluation and individual mentoring. My essay evaluation services include a thorough review of your essays with feedback on grammar, structure and content. This will help you to improve your writing skills and increase your chance of getting a good grade. I also offer individual mentoring for aspirants who need extra help with their studies. My mentoring sessions are tailored to your specific needs and goals, and I will work with you to help you succeed. If you are an aspirant and looking for guidance and support, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you to achieve your goals. Please stay tuned for more videos on how to prepare for the CSS exam and achieve success.